William Braun, a 67-year-old U.S. professor of business management at Xiamen University in East China's Fujian province, has been living with his family in China for more than 30 years. In the past years, he has been writing over 20 books to record a changing and vibrant China to help people better understand the country.
Through the 80s, I read a lot about China and the changes. When I got to Xiamen, I saw that Xiamen is nothing like the media in the West portrayed it. I found the people very happy and friendly and excited. But then some people said, well, you only see Xiamen and the coast. In the interland, it's not like that. So I bought a van in 93, and the summer of 94, I drove 40,000 kilometers around China with my wife and 2 children. It was backwards in a lot of places, but the government's already spending a lot of money to build roads, even in those poor areas, because the government's policy is very far-sighted. So I started writing about all of China.
In 2019, Braun traveled across China again, and he was thrilled by the great changes that have taken place in the country.
In 2019, I drove again the same route as 94, but in 2019, because the roads were better, it was only 32 days instead of 3 months, and 20,000 kilometers instead of 40 because of roads and bridges and tunnels. And so China, they had that long vision by giving the infrastructure, to giving these people opportunity to eat for a lifetime, to prosper. So China's changes really are a miracle. And I hope by writing these stories that it will help foreigners and Chinese better appreciate the whole country.
In Braun's opinion, the future of China-US relationship is in the youth.
I think it's true the future is in the youth. I've urged Americans to visit China, and also for Chinese, especially youth, to visit the US to see firsthand, what do Americans really think of China, and why? The average American has no way to understand China because they only know what is reported by the media. And the only way to overcome this mass manipulation is for people to meet each other one-on-one, or maybe at least in small groups.
Braun called for more exchanges to improve China-US relations.
China's best story is not what it says, but what it does. We must expand and improve people-to-people relationships through academic, cultural, and other exchanges.